Now, we are going to look at the total surface area of a cylinder, okay? Now, we know some of the different kinds of cylinders or the real life, let me say, cylinders. This is what a cylinder. I can have many examples over here. So, these are all examples of cylinders, okay? Now, we learned about the number of faces, please, the number of faces, the number of edges, and then the number of vertices of what? A cylinder. Now, how many faces are a cylinder? How many faces? Please keep quiet and pay attention here. How many faces has a cylinder? How many faces? Are you sure? This is one face. How many? Two. And this is how many? Three. Good. Now, we want to develop or come out with a formula to find the total surface area of this cylinder. Now, we know that if we add all the faces, it has three faces, okay? If we add all the faces, we are going to get what? The total surface area. So, the first question is, what is the formula for finding the circumference of a circle? What is the formula? What is the formula for finding the circumference of a circle?
Wait, no. Supply R squared.
No?
Length, width, length.
The circle over there. Pi r square is different. I'm talking about circle. Pi r square is the area.
We circle it.
R. R.
That's the inside. No,
Zero times pi times what? You have forgotten this formula?
No, I said that.
The circumference is equal to what? 2 pi r. Okay? So this is the circumference. And then the second question is what somebody answered. What is the formula of finding the area of a circle? What is the area? Somebody just said. Good. So the area is equal to pi r squared. Okay. Now, number 3 says, what is the formula of finding the area of a rectangle? The rectangle over there. What is the formula of finding the area? It is already there, so you put the answer over there. Okay?
Put the answer over there.
Yeah? What is the formula of finding the area of this rectangle? Please pay attention. If you understand this, if you are always able to remember this, you can quickly get the area of the cylinder. Okay? So, what's the formula of finding the area of this rectangle? This is the length and this is the width. So, what do you do to get the area?
What? The area of what?
Of this rectangle over there. The area of the rectangle. Huh? Exactly, good. Okay. So the area is equal to length times the width. Now, we have learned that this cylinder has how many faces? 3 faces, good? Good. Now, what's the shape of this, the circle? Good. So it answers the fourth question. So the shape here is a what? Circle. So the shape of the upper part is a circle. Now, what is the shape of the base?
Circle.
Circle, good.
Yes.
So, the upper part is what? A circle. So, and the area of a circle is pi r squared. Is that clear? Now, the base is also what? What is the area, the shape of the base? What is the shape of the base? Circle, good. So, it's also pi, circle, it's also pi r squared. Now, suppose we cut the base here, okay? We are going to get a hollow cylinder like this one, like what is in front of you, okay? If we cut the upper part and the base, we are going to get a hollow cylinder like this. Now, this is the most important part that I want you to pay attention to. Okay, I want you to just remove the pin over there. This thing, that I want you to just remove it. Okay? I've removed mine, so you have to also remove yours. Please do it as quickly as possible. Just remove this. Just remove both of them. I want you to do it right now. Just remove the pin. Good. So now it is like this. Remove the pins. Remove the pins. Yes. Good. I like that. That's what I want. Now, what is the shape? Are you sure it's a square? A rectangle. So this curved part of a cylinder now looks like what? A rectangle. Okay? But there's a secret over here. Look at this part. This part is what? A circle, okay? And this part, the circular part, is going to form what? A rectangle, which is what? This area is a circle, and it is area 1. That's the upper part. It is pi r squared here. Now, what about the area 2, the base? The base is also what? A circle, okay? And it is pi r squared. Now, area 3 here, when cut into 2, is what? It's a rectangle, okay? And the rectangle, the area is what? 2 pi r h. So 2 pi r h. Now, if we add everything here, we are going to get the total surface area of this cylinder, okay? If we add this part, and this curved surface area, or the lateral surface area, we are going to get the total surface area of this cylinder. And this is the formula. This is the formula for finding the total surface area of a cylinder, or of a closed cylinder. That is, surface area is equal to pi r squared plus pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. And this is what I want you to know. Pi r squared, and the middle, or the lateral surface area is what? 2 pi r h. Okay? And that is the formula for finding the total surface area of a closed cylinder. Now, suppose that one side of this cylinder is taken off, like this. One side is closed, one side is open. The total surface area is now going to be the curved part, and then the base, in which this is pi r squared, and this is 2 pi r h. Okay? And that's all about the surface area of a cylinder. So, now we can see 2 pi r here, 2 pi r here. So we can just factorize 2 pi r out, okay? Factorize. We can factorize. Yeah? We can factorize 2 pi r out, okay? So 2 pi r here into brackets r plus h. This formula is the same as this one, okay? This one has been just broken down, or let me say, has been what? Factorized to this one, okay? Factorize. This is the formula. So first one, you must find the 2 pi r, and then you must find r plus h. Then you multiply, okay? Then you get the answer. Where r is equal to radius of the circle, and then h is equal to the height of the cylinder, and then the pi is equal to 3.14. This is what we already know. Okay, the pi is 3.14. It's constant. And then r represents the radius of the circle, and then h represents the height of the cylinder. So that is the total surface area of a cylinder.
Look where they are.
Mhm.